Casella. I'm a product designer here at Kurgo. You love to take your dog everywhere and know it's critical to keep them hydrated. At Kurgo, we develop lots of solutions to make that easy. Whether camping for the weekend, running errands around town, or simply taking a quick walk around the block, we're sure to have a solution to fit your and your dog's needs. With the Gourd water bottle, there's no need to bring 2 water sources and no wasting water trying to pour it into your dog's mouth. The bottle holds 24 ounces of water and the detachable bowl holds 8 ounces. Like all Kurgo products, these products are covered by our lifetime warranty.
As a cherished member of your family, your pet loves to go places with you. Because a traditional pet water bowl isn't practical for every situation, you need a better pet water bottle.
H2O for canine bottles are made for rugged use and years of earth-friendly reuse. There are no hinge points or other complex parts that can break or rust. Our unique lid was designed to accommodate a dog's natural drinking style. The H2O for canine bottles fit naturally into any standard cup holder, bike cage, or backpack. They also come with a high-quality carabiner clip to make it easy to take anywhere. For the daily walks, day hikes, and dog park outings, we also have the Neo Sling, a comfortable, stylish way to carry your water bottle made of stretchy neoprene, which is soft on the body. It also insulates the bottle to keep your pup's water cooler longer. Handler has direct control over water consumption, reducing the risk of bloat during active work and play. Promotes a healthy quality of life and active lifestyle. Keeps your dog hydrated while on the go, reducing the risk of dehydration and/or heat exhaustion. Greatly reduces exposure to waterborne illness by providing clean drinking water everywhere you go with your dog.